All right, we have made it to the Tampa RV Super Show. We're here on Industry Day. Give you guys a sneak peek of what you're going to have in store for this week, Wednesday through Sunday. Come on out to the Tampa show and see all of these RVs. There's several big reveals that are coming out. It's not something you're going to want to miss. Right, so we have entered the Industry Day at the Tampa RV Show. Walking around through the main area right now, looks like we are in the Prevost area. So we're going to walk through and catch some video of some rigs, show you guys around what it is, and look forward to seeing you here. We'll be here all week, so drop us a comment below. Let us know if you're here, and we'll meet up with you. Alright, we're here with Matt from EverDry at the Tampa RV Show. He's got these dehumidifiers, and as you know, we've had a big problem with it because what we have is a Keystone. We've got a hybrid travel trailer.
Sure.
So we've got two bunk ends, a larger and a smaller, and a lot of times when we're running the air conditioner on the inside, we'll wake up and have a lot of water droplets and everything, especially on the inside of the canvas.
Sure.
So tell us about your product and what we can do to help alleviate that, because we have a lot of viewers, especially in the hybrid and the pop-up community, that have a lot of problems with the humidity.
Sure. Well, thanks for stopping by the booth. EverDry is a 20-year-old brand. We specialize in dehumidification, so strictly removing moisture from the air. We started in 2001 with our silica gel-based units. You see a few different technologies on the table here. This is our E500. It's filled with about a pound of silica gel as a desiccant. You put this in your kitchen, underneath your sink, in your bathroom, your bags, basically anywhere you're having a problem with excess moisture. The silica gel absorbs the moisture from the environment. Those beads on the outside there turn from orange now to green when it's saturated.
Okay.
Once it's saturated, there's a plug there on the bottom, if you see. You just fold that plug down, plug it in, it heats up and dries out the moisture that's collected.
Okay, so it is a reusable unit.
Correct, yep.
Okay.
It's a passive renewable solution. Then we get into our more conventional size units or style units, and conventional meaning they trap the water in a bucket. The technology on these things is super efficient. It's called electro-Peltier technology.
Mm-hmm.
So if you look inside of there, you'll see there's an aluminum block. Okay, one piece of that block is warm, the other side of it is cold. So what happens, it draws the air into the unit, runs it over that hot plate, and then runs it over the cold plate, which condenses the moisture into the reservoir. Once it fills up, it turns off. Pretty zero maintenance, if you think about it. Then we have a little larger unit, same technology, do 2,500 cubic feet. All the model numbers directly correlate to the amount of cubic footage that the unit will do effectively. So, you know, you said you had a 40 Keystone, you said?
Ours open is 22 feet.
22, okay. So in that situation, the 24 or the 2,500 would be ideal for you guys?
But the difference is with us, like I said, we have two canvas ends, so you're getting more condensation there.
Absolutely.
Than a standard enclosed travel trailer.
Absolutely. And then if you come down here and just take a look at this is our high-end top performer. It's a rotary desiccant. Now the benefit to the rotary desiccant compared to a compressor-based dehumidifier you might see, it works in lower temperatures and lower humidity. So while a normal compressor-based dehumidifier will stop working at about 45%, and it dips down below 40 degrees, their efficiency really really kind of wanes off. This thing will work all the way down to freezing and about 30% humidity, so it'll keep on going. So when you're in those cooler environments, you can still protect your RV from the damaging effects of moisture.
Right. Now, the smaller unit here, this is the only one I see that works not being plugged into power.
Correct.
What was the area that something like this would cover?
So we have two models of this this type of technology. This is the E500, so it'll do 500 cubic feet.
Okay.
So it's designed for smaller enclosed areas. You wouldn't want to put this in your kitchen to do your entire RV. So you'd want to put one of these in your bathroom, and then another one in your bedroom.
Okay.
The benefit to these is that they don't leak or spill. So you can put them in places that you normally wouldn't put a dehumidifier. Like if you use the calcium chloride buckets, I'm sure you've seen them out there before, that fill up with water. You'd be able to put our products in places that you can't necessarily put those.
Right, yeah. A lot of people that we've seen, especially in the community, love going and buying these little things at the Dollar Tree that have the little things in them and fill them up and throw them away.
Sure.
And they think, you know, this is a great idea, being it's $1.25 now.
That adds up.
But when you go through those things, and especially with the humidity like we go through from different extremes traveling all over the country, it does add up.
Yep,
so
absolutely.
What does something like this go for?
These retail for $39.95 normally. We run show specials, obviously, when we do these trade shows. You can get them all over the place. Everdry.com. You can get them at the trade shows here. They're readily available at retail, you know, throughout the country. And you can even see here, you know, we kind of sell against the calcium chloride products on our packaging, just to give you the benefits of, you know, what a silica gel dehumidifier will do opposed to calcium chloride. And you mentioned the refills. That's the number one, you know, savings there. Each one of these that you buy, if you're a calcium chloride user, will save you $500 over the life of the product. So if you have 5 buckets somewhere, replace it with 5 Everdry. There's $2,500 over the life you'll save.
Now, a lot of people are familiar with the regular dehumidifiers and having to dump out the water and such, and know that those are safe. But something like this, how are these as far as safety if, say, a kid breaks it open or a pet chews into it or something?
Yeah, they're totally safe. You know, obviously, I don't recommend putting silica gel in your mouth, you know, because it'll crackle and pop. But as far as toxicity, it's child and pet safe, so you don't have anything to worry about with that at all.
So we appreciate your time, appreciate you explaining this through, and how did anybody get a hold of you if they want to get some information?
Everdry.com, EVA-DRY.com.
The game of marbles. We're going to figure out what the game of marbles is. This gentleman here has got marbles, and he's going to show us what they are. But you know, my favorite color is orange.
Basically, these are Murray's Big Marbles, and I couldn't get the whole thing on there. My name is Murray.
Oh, okay.
So I shortened it, just called it a Murray.
Awesome.
So why don't you start us out? What you want to do is back up a little bit. I'm filming in my backyard. Get a couple white there. There you go. Now throw the white in the yard. Stand back up. Not too hard. You'll run out in the backyard.
Marbles is a great way to get a healthy dose of exercise while enjoying the great outdoors. Unlike games like croquet or browser, it requires no medical equipment.
If you knock my ball away.
Simply open your bag of marbles and play. Marbles is played in the backyard, in the park, or the beach. Obstacles such as trees, irregular
I believe you're going to beat me.
rocks, bushes, become a part of the game. Begin. The players
You messed me up.
Get the side of that orange when you knock it out of it.
dump the marbles out of the bag.
I win.
So in this case, the orange team would have 2 points.
All right, we have gotten parked into the rally site, and now we are at the Red Door here in Tampa for Battleborn Batteries is having a rollout event tonight for a new product. So we're going to come see what that's all about.
Storage meets efficiency. Introducing Dragonfly Energy's battery communication technology, Dragonfly Intelligence. Using an innovative wireless mesh network to provide reliable connectivity and communication between batteries and accessories, and into customers' hands for accurate remote monitoring of your power system from anywhere in the world. 24/7 monitoring of critical aspects of your power system allows for our error detection and warning system to ensure you have superior battery protection and optimization. And thanks to this powerful data, technical troubleshooting is easier and more effective than ever before. Battle-born batteries have been at the pinnacle of quality for deep-cycle lithium-ion batteries. Isn't it time they got a bit smarter? The next evolution of battle-born batteries, equipped with Dragonfly Intelligence, opens the doors to full power system connectivity and communication. Whether it's a single battery or large 48-volt power system, battle-born batteries with Dragonfly Intelligence ensures you have the highest quality and smartest power solution on the market. And with an expanding line of accessories, the capabilities are limitless. The Dragonfly Wing is a powerful, safe, and expandable storage solution designed for residential, industrial, and mobile applications. The groundbreaking technology inside enables easy installation and reliable performance. Hybrid balancing technology for a perfectly balanced battery system, no matter the size. Flexibility and expandability. Auto configuration. Selectable voltage at the push of a button. Safe battery chemistry designed specifically for long-term energy storage. And much, much more. Dragonfly Intelligence. It's power you can depend on, with the safety you need.
Everyone for coming out here at our first ever real product launch for Dragonfly Energy. It's great to be in Tampa. We left the snowstorm in Reno. It's been happening a lot lately. And I have to say it's great to be here with the whole Dragonfly team. We were able to see Tom Brady's last game yesterday. All right.
Friday morning, Tampa RV show. We have power. We got power last night while we were having dinner. So now we are heading over into the RV show to meet up with Todd and Sheila to switch it up. He's got some crazy shenanigans planned, so you're not going to want to miss this. So make sure you're following. Stay tuned to see what happens. We are at the Golf Ball Dome here at the Tampa RV show. Todd is back here with Sheila, and of course you can see by his attire something is amiss. So stay tuned. Billy gets a mustache here. He's growing some facial hair. He's turning into a big boy.
I need a mustache.
You gotta go see Todd. Day number 4 at the Tampa RV show, the Florida RV Super Show here at the Florida State Fairgrounds. We have come out of the rally area. Had a donuts this morning, coffee, social hour with the Switch crew. Now we're going in early this morning in opening time. Going into the show to roam around, maybe get a little bit of footage here before a ton of people get in, take care of some things early today. So let's see what comes up today. All right, about midday, we are headed out back over to the show. Part of the Switch crew that is going to be going over there. There's something very special and very unique. You guys know that follow the Switch It Up and the Switch crew, Todd's brain kind of goes squirrely at times. This time he's gone overboard off the deep end, so this should be fun. Look here, we got switch crew in front of us. Look back behind us. We got switch crew coming back here. Even if it is a cheesehead, they're back there coming behind us. It's coming. It is 11:59. 12 o'clock is the go time. Wait till you see this happening.
With you, what is your name?
Nancy.
That is correct.
Thanks.
That's my time. No. Nancy, can I have you open up both your hands face down? Oh, you're good.
Smack me,
No, of course. Come on. Where do you think I am? David Copperfield? Make a fist out of both hands and raise one of them up. Put that behind your back. Do you guys all see the little heart on my hand? Watch the heart. If I take it, get out of here. Nancy, have you ever had your palms red before? Yeah. Because now they're red again. No, I gotta take it up a notch. What is your name? Kylie. Kylie? What a coincidence. I got nothing. Kylie, can I have you open up one of your hands? We've got a blue one and a red one. Which one do you want? No. Blue one. No. So the red one goes up my hand. Blue one, squeeze tight. And what colors did I have? See, I just blew mine away. Open up your hand. There it is. And there's nothing on my sleeve except these massive muscles. That wasn't a joke. I got it one last time. I got to take it up a notch. I got to use you. What is your name?
Rhonda.
Rhonda, you're about to get used. That sounds terrible. You're about to get magicianed. Sounds way better.
Okay.
Rhonda, I've got invisible cards. Grab one out. Show them the card. I'm not going to look. Now, Rhonda, you know what it is, right? Stick it back and face down and tell us all, what was that card you imagined?
Queen card.
You notice there's only one face down card? And the best part is, check your back pocket.
Back pocket. Oh, there it is.
Is that you guys?
Yeah.
It is. The battery's upside down.
Everybody point at it.
People that are dads that raise their kids alone.
Oh, hello there. If you're happy and you know it, it's the meds.
Yeah,
If
right.
you're happy and you know it, it's the meds. If you go to a physician and he gives you a prescription, be compliant. Don't deny it. Take your meds.
We're going into the barn. Budweiser Clydesdales are in here, so we're gonna roam through and see if we can see them. Oh, I see one. Look, guys, look. Here's one of the Budweiser Clydesdales. It's lunchtime for them. Hey, can I have some of your lunch?
No, you can't.
Can I have some of your lunch? I don't think he wants me to have any of his lunch. How massive and big he is, look. I touched a Budweiser Clydesdale. And you can't just have Budweiser Clydesdale horses without having the Budweiser Dalmatians.